Engineer Alcantara, he even denied it. Dininay niya yung kay Senator Joel, dininay din niya sa akin. Oh.
Sir, kinokolektor magkakalala daw kayo nung Maynila pa.
Sino? No, no. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sa Manila? Siguro I met him once, twice, but never an acquaintance.
May picture kayo ni DPWH Engineer Alcantara, sir. Do you remember that, sir, when it was taken?
I do not know, I cannot recall that event, pero sa dami naman nagpapapicture sa akin. Hindi ko mo pwede tangkihan. Eh kung drug lord yun, gambling lord, malay ko naman kung drug lord yun o gambling lord, hindi ko naman matatangkihan kung sino nagpapapicture sa akin. Remember, we are all public figures here.
Sir, sasampahan niyo ba ng kaso si Hernandez?
Yes, sasampahan ko ng kaso yun.
Anong kaso?
Anong kaso, sir?
I will have to talk to my lawyers.
Will you confront him sa next hearing na?
If he's here, he's seeking refuge in the house already. Doesn't want to come back here.
Sa PNP Custodial Center na daw, sir.
I do not know.
Sabi ni SP Soto, nagkaroon ng agreement ni Speaker.
I do not know. Well, if he's going to be invited or subpoenaed here, then I'll confront him.
Pero sir, totoo yun sir na meron kayo talagang pa-allocate na pondo sa Bulacan or walang ganun?
As I mentioned earlier, lahat yan, line item yan, nasa GAA. Anybody can choose those line items at bitang sa mga senador.
Pero hindi kayo nag-recommend sir ng budget
No,
for
no, no.
Bulacan? Wala?
Under 2025.
Ever?
No?
So, ni-check niyo na, sir, yung GAA na wala kayo doon na.
Yes, I think so. I told my staff to check on it.
Line item pa sa GAA.
Pero
Sir,
nasa-
saan siya papunta? Yung 3